It is said that all you need to do is weld two thick iron plates onto the side of an old car wheel rim so a long threaded rod can be installed to keep the structure balanced and stable, just like shown here. At the same time, the required bearings are hammered into place so they can perfectly fit with a plastic wheel, ensuring smooth rotation. Any excess length sticking out is then cut off and removed. Next, 3 sharp sickles are prepared. Using a large nut as the base, they are assembled together to form fan-like blades, which are then connected to the long, straight-threaded rod. The nuts on both the inside and outside are tightened firmly so the whole structure becomes one solid unit. After that, it is removed and the washers are tightened again, separately from the backside, so the entire structure meets the required stability. It is then inserted directly through the bearing and secured tightly with screws to prevent it from accidentally coming loose. Finally, pre-planned angle iron pieces are installed to serve as a support frame. During normal use, it only needs to be connected to a handheld electric drill. In this way, a clever DIY grass cutter is created by reusing an old car wheel rim, angle iron, and a pulley system powered by a hand drill. The result is a flexible, convenient, and practical grass cutting machine and a truly creative way to turn scrap materials into a useful tool.